Do you really think that Baki can win? The great fighter Sea King Retsu was defeated. The reborn Katsumi Orochi was crushed. Even the beast Jack Hammer was beaten. If those three couldn't beat him, then I'm not sure how Baki will.
Listen, old man. There's one thing Baki's got that the other three haven't got. As everyone knows, my blood runs through his veins.
Good grief, your ego is amazing.
You took my slaps as an insult, and it got you mad enough to want to fight. For the first time since you were born, you weren't fighting out of hunger. You were fighting out of pride.
Yes, the battle has begun. Baki Hanma versus the champion of the Age of Dinosaurs. I think Baki is trying to teach him that fighting is more than just a means for hunting and eating. He's teaching Pickle that there are times like now when you have to fight to defend your pride.
Kill or be killed? No, it's not about that. We're just fighting, Pickle. Not trying to kill each other. See, not every fight has to be a fight to the death.
They're too high. That's a fall of nearly 70. No, of nearly 100 feet.
Uh-oh, here comes the ground.
Pickle, maybe. But for Baki to still be on his feet after a fall